Before starting the video, when you watch my video on YouTube, search for My Me Women. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss new uploads.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you some amazing recipes which you can make at home for your face to glow before your events. So let's begin. It's very important when we go out to parties or some events or occasions or marriages to look good, at least, right? But what if you get a glowing skin before an event? That's Sone Pe Suhaga, right? I will tell you some basic important things which you have to note before any event. Generally 5 or 6 days before you know there is an event. So how are you going to prepare yourself? So I'm going to share these 3 face packs which you have to apply before any event. My first face pack contains wheat flour, honey, cucumber and rose water. So now we are going to take a teaspoon of wheat flour, half teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of cucumber juice, 1 spoon of rose water. Now let's mix everything together and apply it for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Wash it with lukewarm water or any normal water you want. You will see amazing results. Now we are going to see our second pack. This pack we are going to take masoor dal, red masoor dal. You must all be knowing red masoor dal. So we just have to grind it in the mixer and make sure that you strain it to get a fine powder. And we will take it about 1 or 1.5 spoon in a bowl. In that we are going to add few drops of lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of normal milk cream. We don't want the Tetra Pak cream, we just want the normal malai from the milk we get in our house. Okay, it's together to form a smooth paste and apply it all over your face. Now our third pack is, we just need honey, 1 spoon, few drops of lemon or lime juice and 1 teaspoon of potato juice. Just apply this mask all over your face and neck and see the amazing results. If you have too much time, you can also use just the potato juice. Take a potato, slice it and just rub it all over your skin to get instant results. But always remember, no packs or no solutions or no lotions can give you instant results because it takes time. Facials will give you temporary results, but these packs which I am suggesting you are going to 100% give you results for a long term and save your skins from spotting, dark spots, pigmentation, wrinkles and anti-aging. So best of luck, note all these ingredients, make these packs and apply it to your skin. Such beautiful crowns on your head to become the India's glowing skin. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment box what next you want to watch on my channel.